Start happening. DPS look shallow. DPS look shallow. Kill the guards first. Kill the guards. Kill W. Care shallow. Care shallow from the bomb. Okay. Care shallow. Keep spamming the guardians on the gate. I'll be hammering it. Care. Yo, look over there, bro. Nike, bro. How you fucking dying first engage, bro? Get up. Seriously, man. First engage. Look shallow on the gate. Shallow. Counter 5. Counter 4. Counter 3. Counter 2. Counter 1. Counter now. Kill this. And go back. Their second engage. Go back. Yo, Shirijan, where you dying after Shirijan, man? Complete shitters, boys.
Don't stand near the wall if you don't need
Stay on the
to.
south, boys. Stay on the south. You can take south screen. Stay on the south. Regear.
They will look soon.
Regear. Stay on the south. Why you hacking from north is when you know there's a bomb
They're looking
over there.
Then
Everybody counter in the gate. Counter in the gate 5. Counter in the gate. Counter inside on the strength 4. In 3. Yeah, I am fucking done there. You come back. Seriously, boys, like you guys are not looking or what? That's shaper.
They have bridal fury bomb.
Shadow, can you
Look on the
change
gate
the
on the gate
direction?
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. More deep and kite now. Left front. Kite. Heels on the ground. Kite. Any kite SC. Kite SC. Care. They have 2 engages. Care. Kite SC. Yo, we're gonna do 1 engage. Your DPS come fast. You dab. Everybody counter inside. Walk inside them. 5, 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Boys, damage, boys. Now spread and go southeast. Regear fast, Shirijan. Why you still not here, bro? It's only 1 zone away.
Heal me.
Regear quickly. Taking forever to regear, boys. Come back, dev. Yo, that's fake. Come back a bit.
No, that's a fake.
Care on the choke. Come back, everybody come back. Sika, come back. Yo, look shallow. Look shallow. Wait. Look shallow. Don't be ready to hold them after that. Yo, shallow. Care shallow. Then getting. Everybody look for me. 5. Look for me. 4. Wait. Go back. Don't clump on the choke. I wait for Regis. Come fast, boys. Sika, you died.
What the energy set? Oh
My God, bro. You calling any shaper and you dying on a battle mount? You died on a battle mount?
I got dismounted, dude.
Bro, the battle mount trash. What are you doing, man? Seriously, why you even in front then?
I was in the back.
You were here, bro, in the front.
Fake.
Dev. Counter choke 5. Counter choke 4. Counter choke 3. Don't hit the choke. More damage, boys. Need more damage. Nice. Almost kill one. We kill one. Go back now. Back now. Back now. Don't stand. Don't clump up on the choke. Yo, counter. Wait. From flank. Any. Walk northeast. Call GG.
No.
One walk northeast. Look for me. No, these guys are different. Walk northeast. Chase them. Okay, come back. Turn back.
The 2 callers are looking.
They're coming
They
out.
have 18 debuff, bro. They have 18. You come back. Stop dying for no reason, boys. Seriously. You guys are like full trolling. Somebody was saying their quality is bad. Like I know whose quality is bad. Main engage coming. Everybody counter. Shallow. Wait, I will fake. This is fake. Yeah, back now. Everybody in the choke. Everyone in the choke. Defense first. Everybody in the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now. Boys, damage, boys. And come back. Didn't hold the choke. Heal, my friend. Shaper from behind. Care. It's okay. Everybody walk in. Look for me. I know. Walk in, boys. Walk in. Def now. And walk in. They have nothing. Walk in. West. Deep west. 5. Deep west. 4. Deep west. 3. Find the crown. Deep west.
The
2.
energy saver,
Deep
watch
west
out.
on the ground. On the ground. Need damage, boys. Kite northeast now, northeast now, northeast now, northeast now, northeast. Don't go back to the bridge. Go north. Okay, go back to the bridge. Go back to the bridge. Detank hold. They're engaging the front. They're engaging the front. They're engaging the front. You call GG, bro. We cannot. GG. Just get out. Yeah, dismount.
Meerkat is east.
Yeah. One detank watch Miraket.
I watch
Open. Yeah, you watch.
We have one GA watch. South screen.
Yeah, one G also watch that. One G watch south and one G watch east. We have two G, right? Analyst.
Don't fight Mercat. Mercat is not.
Okay.
Oh, they nap? Okay.
Yeah, they nap.
You look on the gate. We're gonna hit the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. Okay, now my team is. Go back.
There's one guy from Forsaken.
Defense. Take it.
Care front. They're looking. Care front.
Engage ready.
Engage ready. Walk up. Demons be in front. Look for me on the southwest side. Wait. Walk. Let allies walk. Wait. QNW on this guard. Look at the tank inside. Wait. Now on the tank in 5. On the tank in 4. On the tank in 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. It's boys. It's everything. And go back. Nice clap, boys. Go back. Demons be ready. Demon. Come back. Holy fuck, I'm gonna die, bro. I died.
Let's go northeast. Go
Go NW. Yo, who hit? Somebody hit from this fucking northeast side?
Hold here. Guys, look for shield mark. Hold here. Green. Look for greens. Come, hold.
Heal.
Look east side. Do you guys have cooldown or no?
You're not shield marking, go.
I am.
Yes,
Oh my god.
Mark him some first party. Popan, I give you first. I'll give you lead, Popan.
Mark with.
Mark him
Just
with
hold.
crown.
We can back up engage. We'll bet our allies for now.
Play with the lies.
Hold here. Don't go in.
Okay,
Did you
I
mark
can
me
see
yet?
now. Yeah, you are marked. now.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a guy from Forsaken Guild.
Just QW the guards. Don't let them hit our healers. Just hold. I'm looking. Just hold. Hug northwest side wall. And if someone comes from northeast, tell me. Hold. Let our allies walk out. Okay, look on top of me in 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Leave. Go northeast.
There's a
And
guy here.
hold. Go northeast and hold. Don't run away though. Just hold. Hold.
Getting-
Defense when you look southwest. Yeah, they did already. Just hold. Get cooldowns. Look southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yes.
1. Look on crown.
Yes.
Just go northeast. Hold again. If you don't see that, just hold. They're not brawling inside yet. Guy killed. Qs and Ws the inside guy. Qs and Ws the guy inside. Two people. Don't let them pull you. Get this guy. 6-3 on you. Okay, hold. Don't chase him. Come back.
He's ready,
Get
Kingo.
cooldowns. Come, look south in 3, 2, 1. Look south on me. And go northeast
Nice.
and hold. Hold here. Get cooldowns again.
Long cooldown.
Okay. We'll wait 15. Don't let anybody come inside you, okay? Qs and Ws, don't auto attack. Just Qs and Ws. Tell me cooldowns when you have. D-tanks, play with me.
10 seconds.
Hug northwest side DPS. Hug north. Okay, walk in now. Out looks like. Catch northeast, guys. Go back northeast. Catch them. They ran away, I think.
Yo, good job.
Yeah, they ran.